So you're most welcome to my backyard garden. It's not large, but it will do. Hopefully by the time I'm harvesting, when I harvest and you see the quantity that I can get from it, it will encourage you to do something, at least for a background. But that's not today's video. Today, sorry, it's just a small video on a foot rot treatment, how the veterinary officers came to help us. At least now we got some more cattle in the past 5 months, in addition to what we already had. So unfortunately, some of them came with some foot rot, and it was about to spread within the herd, but we've been able to see some, and then we're treating them. About 4 cattle, treating about 4 cattle. That's just this week. So I'll leave you to it and then go right to the treatment video. So we have to tie the cow by the legs and lift it in order to be able to get access to the wound and see how it is. So we are just assessing it. You can see how the sore has spread, and it's on all 4 of his feet, so it's really painful. So when we do this, it will give us a chance to be able to wash the foot of any debris, any dung that is on it, and then the veterinary can go ahead to give some antibiotics and other injections. Of course, we will not know the dosage because that's their work, but to wash the legs of the cow before whatever is applied, he puts in, I think, some potassium into water, and then we use it to wash whilst he gives the injections. So basically that's what he does. Then after that, he applies some other medications on the leg, and then we let the cow go, and we do same for the other one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.